Are you over the age of 65? Then it's important to know that your body, bones, and digestion aren't quite the same as they were in your younger years. What you eat matters more than ever, and cheese, though delicious, can either help your health or quietly harm it. In this video, we're revealing 4 cheeses that are great for seniors and 4 that are best avoided if you're over 65. Let's start with the good ones. First up is feta cheese. This crumbly, tangy cheese from Greece is lower in fat and calories compared to most cheeses. It's also rich in calcium and phosphorus, which help support strong bones. Plus, because it's made from goat or sheep milk, it tends to be easier to digest. Another benefit: feta contains probiotics, which are great for your gut health. Next on the list is cottage cheese. It's packed with protein and low in fat, making it ideal for maintaining muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. Cottage cheese is versatile too. You can eat it sweet with fruit or savory with herbs. Then we have Parmesan cheese, a strong flavored cheese that's loaded with calcium, protein, and vitamin B12. Since it's aged, it contains very little lactose, making it gentler on sensitive stomachs. Just be careful with portion size. Lastly, goat cheese is an excellent choice for older adults. It's easier to digest thanks to its small fat molecules, and it contains less cholesterol and sodium. It's also creamy and flavorful, perfect for spreading on whole grain toast or topping off a salad. Now let's look at the cheeses you should avoid or at least consume with caution. First is processed cheese, like those wrapped slices or canned cheese sprays. These products are filled with sodium, artificial preservatives, and other additives that can raise your blood pressure, harm your kidneys, and increase inflammation. They're convenient, but far from healthy. Second, blue cheese, while gourmet and flavorful, can be problematic for seniors. It's high in saturated fat and sodium, and the mold it contains can irritate the digestive tract or even pose risks to those with weakened immune systems. Third, brie and camembert. These soft cheeses often contain unpasteurized milk, which can carry harmful bacteria like listeria. For older adults, that's a real danger. These cheeses are also high in fat and not the best choice for cholesterol management. Lastly, cheddar cheese isn't inherently bad, but many people overeat it. It's calorie-dense and full of saturated fat and salt. If you enjoy cheddar, go for aged varieties in small amounts, which are lower in lactose and a bit easier on the gut. If you found this information useful, don't forget to share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more age-smart nutrition tips.